Hey, hi, hello, what is up everyone? My name is Linnea, if you're new here. My name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes, all while living in the suburbs. So if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, thanks for being here. If you're not new here, welcome back. Hello. This is a video I think I do every year because it's very true to life. It's fall. Supposed to be the last warm day of the year. I don't think so. But it's supposed to be. Anyway, it's fall. So it's fall baking time. And this is a recipe I make every year. A multiple times a year. It is pumpkin pie. I think I definitely have a more in-depth video about making this pumpkin pie. You can go way back in my video history, but like I said, I do this every year. We are going to the pumpkin patch this weekend in Kansas City with my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, and our nephew. And our nephew is a very picky eater. Probably the pickiest eater I've ever met in my life. But every time he sees me, he requests that I make pumpkin pie, which sometimes in the summer, that means I have to make a pumpkin pie. I've made pumpkin pie in the spring for the child. If he requests it, I usually make it if I have time. And it is fall. We're going to the pumpkin patch tomorrow. Well, today, I guess. When you guys actually see this, if you watch it the day it comes out, we'll be at the pumpkin patch. So just come along with me. Make the pumpkin pie. It's pretty simple pumpkin pie. It's got a weird ingredient in it. I say that every year. It does have like a weird ingredient in it that you wouldn't think would be in a pumpkin pie. It is fantastic. I will tell you this right now. It is a great pumpkin pie. I'm not biased at all. I mean, I am. But it is a great pumpkin pie. The next video you guys will see, I'm gonna try to record a little bit of our weekend in Kansas City at the pumpkin patch. And that might just be the next video. It's just a little montage of our weekend in Kansas City. We're gonna go to the pumpkin patch. We're gonna get barbecued. This is where my sister-in-law lives. They live in Kansas City. We live in St. Louis, so we've got to drive 3.5 hours one way to see them. But I think we're gonna barbecue. We're gonna go to the pumpkin patch. We might go to like some fall craft events. I don't know. I don't know what my sister-in-law has planned. It is supposed to rain, so that kind of stinks. But I don't know what else she's planned. We might do pizza. I don't know. They also have an uni like we do, and we frequently like do pizza at our house or their house. Like when we see each other, it's like pizza day. I don't know. I'll try to record it. I'm absolutely terrible at remembering to record things. It's pretty bad. Anyway, if you haven't already clicked off the video because I've been yapping, continue watching and I'll actually show you how to make the pumpkin pie. So let's just watch me go back in time yesterday to actually making the pie. And I did make the crust. I've got a couple videos, I think, on crust recipes. This one I had made a couple months ago, I think, and I pulled it out of the freezer. So it is a homemade crust. I do believe I'm going to make some homemade whipped cream later and try to bring it to them. I don't think I'll record that. But anyway, just keep watching and we'll make the pumpkin pie. All right. this video every year because it's very real life. It's very what I do in my daily life. So I am making a pumpkin pie. If you want the actual recipe video, I think I have it from maybe 2 years ago. I'll kind of walk you through it quickly, but I'm not going to go into super detail. So we have a can of pumpkin. Make sure it's pumpkin and not pumpkin pie filling. We have 3 eggs. We have 1 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. I've got a tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm not actually measuring a true tablespoon. Alright, now I'm going to add pumpkin pie spice. The recipe calls for, and I will read it. It calls for 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/8 of clove, and I will do this, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. I know that sounds bizarre, but it's delicious. I am adding extra cinnamon because it's delicious, but I'm basically just gonna add, all of that. It was about 1.5 teaspoons, maybe, roughly, of pumpkin pie spice. I'm gonna mix it in. So we're gonna have a chat, I guess, a chat time maybe while I mix all this together. Going on a fun trip soon. Talk about that. Probably the coolest trip I've ever been on. So I'm gonna add roughly 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Weird, I know, but it makes it really good. So, hold on. I've got a cup of heavy cream. This is going to be far too much filling for this pie crust. I'm going to already tell you that right now. And we have 1/4 teaspoon of just regular milk. Not teaspoon, 1/4 cup of just regular milk. And we'll mix this all together. Alright, yeah, so like I said, going on a fun trip soon. My friend Jane, you'll see her in the comments sometimes. She's from England. We became friends through YouTube, actually. Fun fact. She is flying to America in the next couple weeks, and we are going to take a road trip from where I live in Missouri all the way to California. We're gonna be in Colorado, we're gonna be in Utah, we're gonna drive through Las Vegas, we're gonna see Joshua Tree, we're gonna see all the things. So I might make a very, very short video of it, just of the sights that we see, possibly, maybe, I'm not sure. But like I said, that is coming up in the next couple weeks. And so I will probably be on a bit of a hiatus for that. I'm not sure if I'll pre-film anything. I might, I don't know. Haven't figured that out yet. All right. Here's my crust. I'm gonna pour it 3/4 of the way full. This is gonna be too much filling. I'm gonna call that good. And we are going to bake this for 55 to 60 minutes at 375. About 25 minutes in, I'll check the crust to see if it's getting too brown. But I'll see you guys in, you'll see this pie in an hour, but really like that in YouTube time. All right, here is the pumpkin pie. I have it ready to go. It did crack. It doesn't matter. Honestly, at least it cooked. That's all I care about. At least it cooked. That's the pumpkin pie. It will get eaten. I didn't use one of my pretty pie pans because I think I'm gonna end up leaving the pie at their house, and I didn't want to leave one of my pretty pie pans, even though I know I could just get it back in a couple weeks. So I made it in this foil, aluminum, whatever you want to call it, pan. But yeah, that's the pumpkin pie. It will get demolished in probably 2 days. 2 days. I give it 2 days. So that's the pumpkin pie. That's that.